Hey everyone, in this video I'm working on an 05 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup truck. The AC fan on the inside has went out, so I am going to show you how to replace it. It's really easy to do. It just takes a flathead screwdriver. You can see here I've actually already pulled it out, and now I have my camera, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. This is the old one here. You can see the new one setting up in the hole underneath on the passenger side by your feet, and you will come up to the electrical plug, which is right here, and just kind of squeeze the tab and pull the electrical down so that it's disconnected. It's really easy. And then you'll see 3 screws around it. You go ahead and take the screwdriver, pop these 3 screws out. Okay, so in less than a minute I've gotten the first screw out and undid the electrical. So if I wasn't having to mess with the camera and make sure everything is straight, I would have already had it out. But you can see here, taking out the 2nd screw, and then the 3rd screw is on the back side. Once you get that 3rd screw out on the back side, which is the hardest one to get out, it's out, and you can see the fan's coming down. So basically, once you get your fan out, you set the old one off to the side, and then you take your new one, set it right back up in there. I usually suggest putting the 1st screw in on this side right here, basically to help support it. Get the 2nd screw, get it in. Once you get that 2nd screw in, you should be able to just let it go, hold itself. But you still have 1 screw left. You can probably start it by hand up on the back side. And start it by hand. Go ahead and screw in. Okay, so once you got that done, the last step is to plug your electrical wire up. So once your electrical wire is in, you've completed the install on your air conditioner interior fan, your blower fan motor. It's really simple. It'll take you longer to go to the parts store and get the part than it will to replace it. Go ahead and turn on the key and make sure that everything works properly on it, but that's basically how you replace your blower motor fan on the inside of your Dodge pickup. But anyways, thanks for watching my video today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again.